we're in St. Louis.
Welcome to our crib.
This is our table where we like to think. Y'all see this chandelier right here? 50 bucks. IKEA, get it.
So we're here for the Midwest Digital Marketing Conference, and this is where we come back and decompress. Every MTV Cribs, there's always a full fridge. Bam! But when you're a digital marketer, empty. You know why? We work lots of hours for very little income.
You wouldn't know about Kevin's belly though. All right, so every house needs an upstairs. If you don't have an upstairs in your house, you post. Welcome to Kevin's bedroom. At the end of the day, you gotta relax. Social media is grinding. Let me show you our secret something. Come on. How many people got an Alex in their bedroom, huh? We got a live, well, he was alive. Now the ultimate room is where Toby hangs out. Oh! I ripped my shirt again. Oh no, I love this shirt. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Damn it, I love this shirt, dude. This is my, no, that's a bad one, no! All right, this was always my favorite part of Cribs, the end, where you get to kick the videographer out. So go get.
You guys watch Jimmy Neutron? You know when Sheen gets really smart, that's how he gets gigantic. That's what it feels like. My head really hurts, but it just feels big.
You think he'll be ready for tomorrow?
I'll be ready for tomorrow. It's just...
Can you be like, I'm not sure, so I can end this on a cliffhanger?
I'm not sure if I'll be ready for tomorrow. It's mostly motion activated, that's why.
Yeah.
What do you think about Alex's predicament?
Said, I think the boy needs to eat.
We'll go eat, but we need to get him medicine. It'll make you feel better, I promise. I get headaches. Jake, do you not get headaches and you don't eat all of it?
I mean...
You're so full of yourself, it hurts!
Don't think of things we used to do when we knew each other. Why bother?
Tuesday, closed. The one day they're closed, Kevin.
Okay.
The one day this place is closed.
This place is usually awesome. Taiwanese authentic cuisine. But they're closed today, so we're going to
Wendy's?
Chef Moss.
Hey guys, rule number one of a good restaurant, be open.
What the heck, Kevin?
What?
Can you give me a better chopstick?
Scratches in, and we already won.
Day one of Midwest Digital Marketing Conference.
Are you ready?
I'm feeling a lot better. I still have it very faintly. So I'm gonna bring my meds. Anything for the shoot.
Pro tip, you arrive too early. That's when everyone else arrives. So what happened, you wait in line longer. We arrive a little later so we can walk right through.
Get that shit out of my face!
We're doing basic event coverage with some like cool B-roll you can use for montages and whatever else you want. What we got going is 4K camera in the back and a wide so that we can punch in because we're delivering in 1080, so it's basically kind of two camera angles. We have another camera on the monopod, and we have a gimbal for the cool shots, which is 4K 60.
What do you do?
Help me support the J29 film team.
What does support mean?
Support means I do anything that they want.
How do you think the filming's going so far?
Filming's going good. We got one shoot down. She talked about some great stuff. We ran into a weird issue with audio. We plugged into the soundboard, went off to start recording. It all of a sudden it's just white noise. Nothing's being recorded. I was like, what the heck? What's going on? So I kept the cameras rolling, was messing with audio to find out that the speaker wasn't using the microphone. That's why you always get backup audio. We had a local law recorder, so even though she wasn't using a microphone, still got good audio.
We're location scouting, about to set up our interview section.
We don't have the company credit card.
He's doing the Pikachu face beam. And we're tired and we gotta go back to this Airbnb and figure out where all this stuff is.
Well, literally, I only brought the equipment because I left my laptop.
So we're just stuck in St. Louis? This is the call.
Thank you, Kevin. Unfortunately, we're out of gas. Oh no, it's dying. Go get it!